Hey everyone! So now we are at the back side of the things. In our exploring bubble session, I explained before that we have our pizza mania or pizza data, and we have this template that we created when we went to data types, and we even went to app data and we added our entry there, as you can see here. So there are two types of data. One is dynamic and the other one is static. In extremely simple words, dynamic is something which is changeable or flexible and static is fixed. The data which we enter in the backend is our dynamic data. So now this is our pizza making business. So we will be entering our own data. So let's just quickly add 3 to 4 entries so that we get an idea of what we want to do. But let's make a small change first. In our data type pizza, we already have made all these fields, but sometimes it's really nice to have an image attached to the description so that user can see how that particular pizza looks like. So let's create a new field. So we are creating a new field in the starter type pizza. So let's name it image and the field type will also be an image. Let's create it. See, our new field is also created. If we go back to our app data, here this is the same entry which we created in our exploring bubble session. If you want to look at this entry in more detail, you can click on this pencil icon. Here you can see the different pieces of information that we added earlier, and you can also upload an image in case a certain entry is missing. So here let's upload this image. Our image is uploaded. Let's save this entry. Now let's quickly add 2-3 more entries. New entry, name of the pizza. Now let's name it average price. Let's upload an image. Rating, let's rate it as a 3.8 star pizza. And let's create one more entry. Average price, tasty. Let's upload an image. Let's rate it 4.3 and create an entry. Let's create our last entry. So here we have our 4 entries. If you accidentally made any mistake or want to change any entry, you can click on these pencils or edit icon here and you can edit that mistake. So this was our database. Now we will hop back into our design tab and update our front end as well so that we can display this data. This is the part where we will link up the front and the back end, and we'll learn that in our next lesson.